Hello and welcome to this new feature video where we will discuss data grid writebacks using a new module called components. This data grid writeback feature allows you to add, edit, or even delete data directly from a dashboard view and save those changes directly to a database. In order to set up this data grid writeback component, we first need to understand how it communicates with the current data model. So I'll just open up the current data model we are using for this dashboard called customers, and we will see there in this data model that we are selecting a column names from a databases and aliasing them as a specific user-friendly name that we can display on a dashboard, such as the column ID is being selected as customer ID, name as customer name, etc. We will need to set up a component that maps these aliased column names back to the original column name in order to perform an update directly back onto the database. Before we go further, let's jump in and start creating a data grid in an Explore window. There we have our data grid Explore. I'm just going to save this. Add your Explore to a dashboard. Now we have a data grid on our dashboard, and next we want to set up a new component for this data grid. So going to components on the left, click add new, type in customer as a name, pick data grid writeback, click save. Next we want to link a specific Explore, specifically our data grid that we've set up just now. Pick customer details. From the destination table name, pick a table. That is a database table called customers. Then pick editable fields. So we want to edit the ID column, the name, the age, address, and salary. Next, we want to map the fields to specific columns. So we want to map the Explore field to a specific database column. So customer ID maps to ID. The customer name maps to name. Customer age maps to age. And the physical address to address. And lastly, the salary to salary. Now click Update Component. And there you can see your component updated. Now you need to navigate to your dashboard. And then you need to click on the three dots, open settings, navigate to editing, and enable data grid editing, yes. Allow adding, yes. Allow updating, yes. Deleting, yes. And then type in the column names of the data grid that you want to edit. So in our case, it would be customer ID, comma, customer name, comma, customer age, physical address, and salary. Click save. This will show that the three new buttons, a plus for add a new row, a save button, and a reset button. So I'm just going to refresh to apply the changes. There we go. Now I can add a new row. Let me add ID 8, Andrew, customer age 35, address Pretoria, salary, let's type in, there we go, let's click save. Successfully saved. There you would see it changed on the right hand side of the pie chart. You can also delete a specific row, like let's delete Ryan. There you go, click save. There it changed. And we can even edit the name to Frederik. There we go. Click save. Yes, and that is data grid writebacks through components. Thanks.